Keaton?
What are we going to learn today?
What are we going to learn today? Well, here's our success criteria for today. Who can read it for me? Actually, you know what? This is our success criteria for today. Okay, read it for me.
I'll read both. I am successful when I can identify what a step 1 and a 2-step problem. I am successful when I can identify 2-step and a 2-step.
The second step. Lisa, what else can I help you with, Kitty?
I'm missing my force.
Yes, I noticed it was on the floor. It's on top of the bookshelf over there. It's blue. Alright, so I'm going to give you, this is our first one for the day.
Nemo.
Nemo, who can read it for me? Go, Jeremiah.
On Friday, Nemo the fish eats 2 pieces of food in the morning. He eats 3 pieces of food in the evening. On Sunday, he eats 2 more pieces of food than Saturday. How much food did he eat Saturday?
Okay, who else can read it for me one more time? Landon, go.
On Friday, Nemo the fish ate 2 pieces of food. In the morning, he ate 3 pieces of food. In the afternoon, on Saturday, he ate 2 more pieces of food. Then Saturday, how much food did he eat Saturday?
Perfect, okay. So I want you to write step 1 on your board. Just the words, step 1 and step 2, just like this. And then after you've done that, I want you to start looking at that problem and identifying what is step 1. What operation are we going to be using?
Plus.
Plus. What's the 3rd grade word for plus?
Multiplication?
Oh, no. It's a 3rd grade word. Addition. Very good. So Landon thinks addition. Landon, what in here lets you know that we should be adding that first time?
Because it says on Friday, Nemo the fish ate 2 pieces of food, then he ate 3, and then you pretty much gotta add them up together. And then
Jeremiah, are you focusing? Okay, so Landon thinks we add on the first step. Jeremiah, do you agree? Okay, so what would be our equation, Jeremiah, that we should write right here?
2 plus
That was my fault, sorry. 2 plus
2 plus 3 plus 2.
2 plus 3 plus 2. Show me where you're getting that second 2 from. I see a 2 and I see a 3. Alright, so you're suggesting that we do 2 plus 3 plus 2. Okay, so let's reread the problem again. Will you read it please, Jeremiah?
On Friday, Nemo the fish eats 2 pieces of food in the morning. He eats 3 pieces of food in the evening. On Saturday, he ate 2 more. On Sunday, he ate 2 more pieces of food than Saturday. How much food did he eat Saturday?
Okay, so we have step 1, and the step 1 is how many pieces of food he ate on Friday, right? So how many pieces, he ate 2 in the morning and 2 in the evening. So how many did he eat on Friday?
2.
Okay, let's look. We have,
2 plus 3.
okay, where did you get 2 plus 3 from?
This right here, and in the evening.
Okay, so 2 plus 3. So what is that going to give us for how much he ate on Friday?
5.
5 pieces, okay? Because 2 plus 3 equals what?
5.
Very good, okay? So we have identified that our first step, because what he eats on Friday is 2 plus 3. Do we agree on that?
Uh-huh.
Okay. So now on step 2, let's look at that next sentence. This should say on Saturday. On Saturday, he ate 2 more pieces of food than Friday. So if he ate 2 more pieces of food than Friday, how are we going to find how much he ate on Saturday?
So we know it's 5. Then if it's 5, if we already know our answer for this one would be 5, then we just gotta figure out how much food he. So he ate 2 more pieces of food than Saturday. How much food did he eat Saturday? So we gotta just see if there is we just gotta figure out how much food he ate on Saturday and then we get pretty much the thing.
That's correct. So how are we gonna figure out how much food he ate on Saturday?
We gotta go
On
back
Friday,
to
we know he ate 5 pieces. And how many more pieces did he eat on Saturday?
he ate 2 more.
So if we have 5 and 2, are we gonna add, subtract, multiply, or
Well,
divide those two numbers?
he ate 3 and 2 pieces, so we have to.
What do
I'm
you
gonna
think,
read back
Keaton?
the text.
Okay, read the text again. We know on Friday he ate 5 pieces, so now we're trying to figure out how many pieces he ate on Saturday.
He ate 2 more pieces on Saturday.
Okay, so then
Oh.
how are we gonna find the solution?
We are going to have to add 2 more,
Add 2 more to what?
5.
How do we, so you're suggesting, Jeremiah, that we do 5 plus 2, and that will give us how much he ate on Saturday.
Yes.
Okay, what do you guys think? What do you think? You think that's correct? Okay, so how many pieces then did he eat on Saturday?
7.
7. So what 2 operations did we use there?
Addition.
In addition.
And addition. In a 2-step word problem, can you use the same operation sometimes?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, absolutely. Okay, let's move on to the next one. I don't want you to erase step 1 and step 2. I want you to only erase the equations, okay? And flip your paper over, and there's the second problem. Right?
Oh, here you are.
Keegan, I'm not sure what's happening with your board, buddy. Here,
Oh.
you can have mine. And don't use that marker.
No, you're not a man.
I have one question.
Never me.
If after this we have to go to
No math.
nothing. Okay, I want to make sure that we didn't have to go to.
I never know sentences.
All right. Keaton, will you read this one for us?
Mrs. Dunap gave 10 candies to Maria and Diesel to divide equally. Maria gave 2 of her candies to Keaton. How many candies does Maria have left?
Okay, so we're trying to find what step 1 is. Let's not even worry about step 2. So step 1, what are we doing to find that answer? Are we
Well-
adding, subtracting, multiplying, or dividing?
Well, we're subtraction
Okay, why do you think we're subtracting?
because it says Miss Donna gave 10 candies to Maria and Diesel to divide equally. So we have to subtract it from the 10, which they would both actually get 5 pieces of the candy because
I want you to highlight that first sentence. Highlight the very first sentence. Because I only want you to focus on that sentence, okay? Alright, so Landon is saying that we would subtract. So Landon, will you explain that more, please?
yeah. So the reason why to subtract is because Miss Donna gave Maria and Diesel and then split it equally, and they would each get 5 pieces of candy.
Okay, they would each get 5 pieces of candy, that is correct. So what equation would we have?
We would need subtraction.
Okay, will you write on your board what equation we would do for that? Okay, so 10 minus 5 equals 5. What does the 10 represent, Keaton?
10 candies.
The 10 candies, and what does this 5 represent?
5 candies.
The 5 candies. Who do those 5 candies go to?
That goes to